Ito, pull out your eye. Pull away.
I poked my eye. Hello, Vlogaviers. Today we are touring the Graber Olive House. Founded in 1894, this is Ontario's oldest existing business. This old mill was used to press olive oil.
Oh, wow!
Now we're going on a guided tour. We're learning about the Graber family that started the business. Today, the Graber Groves are located in Lindsay, California. We're looking at the machine that is used to separate the olives into different sizes.
Oh, look at that!
These bowls are used to cure the olives. There are 550 in total.
This is magical!
The empty cans are rolled down this ramp. They go up the elevator and roll into the next room. The workers will scoop the olives by hand into the cans. The Panama paddle packer was used to seal the cans. Next is the boiler room where the cans are sterilized and pressurized.
Now we're in for a treat!
Lastly, the labels are applied to the cans. If you visit here during harvest time, you'll be able to see the machines in operation. Next, we're visiting the museum, which houses lots of artifacts.
Look at this!
Brother, are you allowed to touch that? And lastly, we visited the gift shop and got to try some samples. Find out more at GraberOlives.com. Please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to look for your own adventure.
What's going on over here, Mom?